Hello everyone, so today we'll be unboxing the Tello Boost combo. As you can see, I recently purchased this one at DJI Trinoma, currently on sale until June 16. Purchased this one for only $7,900, was roughly $160, from 9,100 to 7,900 pesos. And it also comes with a free bag, cost 1,295, with a sale price of 895, I think. So this box comes with the, of course, Tello drone, 3 batteries, spare propellers, charging hub, and a USB cable. Another box for, I think it's battery. So we have the charging hub for 3 batteries, micro USB cable, extra propellers, and batteries. So you have 3 batteries. Each battery, according to DJI, has a 13-minute flight time. Then cable, you also have the cable, and then the main event, we have the Tello drone. So it consists first the manual. Nakalagay naman pala dito, may manual yung charging hub. So ito yung, and of course our Tello. Ang liit niya lang, pero ang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya, yung quality compare sa mga drone na nakikita ko. Mas parang compact talaga yung itsura niya. And then of course we have the free bag. Yep. Ang gusto ko dito sa bag na to is para talaga sa Tello. Kita mo yung shape. Nilalagyan din ng mga batteries. Try natin. Batteries. Perfect. So meron dalawa. I don't know what's this for. I don't know kung sa pero kasya naman natin dito. Kasi yung another battery is para dito sa drone na. So nagki-click lang siya, kung mapapansin nyo. Wala siyang lock talaga. Kapag may parang nakaawang lang na plastic, tapos nagdalock lang din sa Tello. Pwede mo rin naman i-charge using your Tello dito. Ay, yan, dyan. So there you have it. So I'll be doing a test with my Tello drone. Punta ako sa park, test ko lang kung sa camera quality niya, which is papakita ko rin in a few seconds.